We've just witnessed match number 11 of the Etisalat Pagiza Cricket League 2022, powered by Duffer News. It's a big congratulations to the Boss defenders. Fantastic total of 173 being asked to bat first this morning and winning this game by 52 runs. Awards to be given out this afternoon. We'll start off with the player of the match. This goes to Hassan Isakhil for his fantastic innings of 76 and 55 balls. Alanur Himat will pass the check over to him. And Mr. Ihsan Obeid, the domestic cricket manager for the Afghanistan Cricket Board, will hand over the trophy. Very well played today, Hassan. We'll move on to the stylish player of the match. This goes to Zia Akbar for his 3 for 25. He collects his trophy and will receive his check from Mr. Sherozuddin Faizi. Well bowled, Zia. Congratulations as well for taking over the purple cap. We'll move on to the Most Sixes Award. This goes to Nisa Wahdat. Nisa Wahdat. We'll come back to him. We'll move on to the game changer of the match. This goes to Fazalak Faruqi for a fantastic performance of 3 for 13 in his overs. He'll receive his check from Mr. Zabiullah Wardak. And will collect his trophy on his way. Very well bowled once again, Fazalak Faruqi. We'll go back to the Most Sixes Award of the match. This goes to Nisa Wardat. Nisa, if you can come forward, please, to get your award. He collects his trophy and will get his check from Mr. Saeed Irfan Saidi. Thank you very much, Nisa. At this stage, I'd like to call upon the captain of the Hindu Kush Stars, Hazratullah Zazai. Hazratullah won the toss, selected to bowl first. Didn't quite go the way you would have wanted it to?
Bismillah ar-Rahman, the way we want to, the bowler want to bowl, but unfortunately we misses many catches. That's why we didn't defeat them under 150.
Your choice to bowl first there, because I looked at the surface this morning, I thought it would be quite good to bat on.
Yeah, the bowler bowled very well because of misfielding. That's why we just gave them extra 30 runs.
173 was also going to be tough to defend, especially without a good start.
Yeah, they have a good bowling lineup. Faruqi, Salim, Abdur Rahman and Ziaur Rahman. They have a good bowlers. That's why we didn't defeat it.
Okay, well, we hope you improve on your performances as the tournament carries on.
Yeah, we will see, inshallah.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's Hazratullah Zazai, the captain of the Hindu Kush Stars. Right, at the moment, we will move on to today's super fan, who will receive a signed shirt from both captains, and today's super fan is Yusuf. Today's super fan, Yusuf Hashmatullah. If I can just ask you to come forward for A few words? At the toss this morning, Hashmat, if you had won it, what were you going to do?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We had a plan to bat first, but they won the toss and they did a bowling.
So it worked out well for you, but just tell me why, because the majority of the captains winning the toss are looking to bowl first. Why were you looking to bat?
Because we have good bowling attack, our bowlers are bowling according to the plan, so I believe in them, and that's why we wanted to bat first today.
You're in good form, well played by you, and the massive partnership of 100 force must be good for you going into the next matches.
Yeah, it's good. The way Hassan played today was very good as a youngster. So inshallah, I will try my best. I will try best to do best in the future games also.
Okay, good to see your name up on the leaderboard for the batters. Hope that long continues.
Yeah, inshallah, I will try my best. Thank you very much.
All right, very well played today. Good victory. Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it then from the presentation ceremony.